UniStone Clay Tile. UniStone is equipped with one of the largest and most advanced production facilities, spans in 2 acres with a state-of-the-art 50,000 square feet manufacturing plant. The facility produces up to 3 lakh square feet of premium clay tiles and paving tiles monthly. With roller kiln system and eco-friendly biofuel furnaces reaching 1100 degrees Celsius, UniStone ensures exceptional durability, minimal porosity, and top-tier quality in every tile. UniStone clay tiles are the perfect choice for exterior cladding, combining the natural strength of clay with modern durability. With UniStone Clay Tiles, your exterior not only stands strong but exudes lasting beauty, built for both protection and style. Earthy tones and customizable textures add a timeless, elegant look to any exterior. With a huge range, the UniStone Clay Tile offers architects the creative freedom to bring their vision to life, making it an ideal choice for state-of-the-art buildings. UniStone clay tiles come in 2 different sizes, 230mm by 65mm and 230mm by 75mm, and in 3 thickness, 12mm, 15mm, and 20mm. Textures. Clay tiles are available in 3 distinctive textures: smooth texture, antique texture. Antique texture has 8 different variants. Roman texture. Roman texture has 3 different variants. Color shades of clay tiles range are divided into different series: Terracotta Series, Burnt Series, Assorted Series, Exotic Series, Dholpur and Brown Series, and White and Gray Series. Have a look at Terracotta Series of clay tiles. It has terracotta, light terracotta, French terracotta, and dark terracotta. Have a look at Burnt Series of clay tiles. It has black-brown, charcoal, burnt red, burnt brown, have a look at Assorted Series of clay tiles. It has assorted brown, assorted burnt brown, assorted red, and assorted burnt red. Have a look at our Exotic Series of clay tiles. It has antique white, flamingo, Marco peach, Spanish terracotta. Have a look at Dholpur and Brown Series of clay tiles. It has chocolate, brown, Jaipur pink, and pink Dholpur. Have a look at White and Gray Series of clay tiles. It has dark gray, light beige, Medium gray. White. So UniStone exterior cladding clay tiles is yet another testament of UniStone's commitment to produce the finest architectural products for its patrons. UniStone, elevating architecture with timeless design.